This is Yijing Hardware Company, introducing the whole process of wood in CNC processing. This is wood blank processing workshop. All wood products need trimming of the wood blank before production processing, so that the installation and positioning in formal production. This part is CNC production workshop. The parts on the machine are being roughed. The process will take a long time in processing. For example, there are lampshade wood products. The material is maple. The shape is complex. We usually call this is the opposite sex hollow body. The next part is walnut fungus shell processing. For this combination products, we usually process the shape of the product at one time first, and then cut two shells. This way can perfectly ensure the integrity of upper and lower shells of the part. It is a semi-finished product after being CNC processing. Next, we will polish, smooth, and remove sharp edges on the product. This part is showing the assembly of the shaved semi-finished product. Here are some cases we have done to show the finished products. We specialize in the production and design of various wooden crafts and support variety high-end wooden custom production. As long as you have good idea, Yijing Hardware Company will take care of the rest for you.